Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see the application of commutative property, distributive property and additive inverse properties of rational numbers through various examples. So first question is, using appropriate properties, find 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 times 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 times 2 by 5. So solution. So first we are going to write the given statement as such. Then next step we are going to rearrange the given question, that is by putting parenthesis we are grouping this into 3 terms. So 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 7 is the first term, minus 1 by 6 times 3 by 2 is the second term, and by 1 by 14 times 2 by 5 is the third term. So now we are going to apply commutative property for this question. Okay. So commutative property, since it's an addition, we are going to apply commutative property of addition. So that is a plus b equal to b plus a. So now we are interchanging the second term and third term. So first term we are writing as such, 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 7 plus, so 1 by 14 times 2 by 5 plus minus 1 by 6 times 3 by 2. So next for this we are going to apply distributive property. So here 2 by 5 is common in the first term and second term. So we are considering it as a times b plus a times c. So the a 2 by 5 is common, which is nothing but a times b plus c. We are going to write it. So 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus. So here we are doing the multiplication part. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator separately. So minus 1 times 3 divided by 6 times 2. Next we want to add. So to make the denominator common, we are taking the LCM. So 2 by 5 times minus 3 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 1 by 14 plus minus 3 by 2. So 2 by 5 minus 3 times 2 is minus 6 divided by 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 by 4 plus this minus 3 by 2 we are simplifying and we are writing it as minus 1 by 4. So 2 by 5 times minus 6 plus 1, so it's minus 6 plus 1 divided by 14. So plus minus 1 by 4. So now 2 by 5 times minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 by 14 plus minus 1 by 4. So now here 2 by 5, this is in multiplication part. So 2 by 5 times minus 5 by 14. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator separately. So 2 times minus 5 divided by 5 times 14 plus minus 1 by 4. So 2 times minus 5 is minus 10 divided by 5 times 14 is 70 plus minus 1 by 4. So in the next step we are simplifying this to minus 1 by 7 plus minus 1 by 4. So now we have different denominators and we want to perform addition. So we are taking the LCM. So minus 1 times 4 divided by 7 times 4 plus minus 1 times 7 divided by 4 times 7. So minus 1 times 4 is minus 4 divided by 7 times 4 is 28 plus minus 1 times 7 is minus 7 divided by 4 times 7 is 28. Now the denominator 28 is common, so we are adding the numerator, that is minus 4 plus times minus is minus, so minus 7 by 28. So minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 by 28. So our answer for this question is minus 11 by 28. Next we'll see the second question. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. So we know that additive inverse refers to any number that when added to the original number gives the result as 0. Suppose a is a rational number. If you are going to add any number to this rational number a, so that your result should be 0. So only possibility is you are going to add the negative of the same rational number, that is a plus negative of the same a is minus a is equal to 0. So if you add these two numbers, you will get the result as 0. So now the additive inverse of a is minus a. Suppose if minus a is given, then additive inverse of minus a is a. Now we'll see this with few examples. So our given first question is 2 by 8. So we are considering a as 2 by 8. So the additive inverse of a is, that is 2 by 8 is minus of 2 by 8. Okay? Because if you add this, so 2 by 8 plus minus of 2 by 8, so the denominator 8 is common. So now we are adding the numerator, that is 2 plus minus will be minus 2. So it will be 0. So the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. The second question is minus 5 by 9. So you know that the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9 is you want to add a negative of that number. So minus of minus 5 by 9 will be plus 5 by 9. So plus 5 by 9 is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9. So if we will see this, so if you are getting minus 5 by 9 and its additive inverse is plus 5 by 9, if you add this, so the denominator 9 is common, 5 minus 5 will be 0. So for plus 5 by 9 is the additive inverse of minus 5 by 9. So next given question, third question is minus 6 divided by minus 5. So 6 by 5 is the additive inverse of minus 6 divided by minus 5. So the additive inverse is 6 by 5 and the given question is minus of minus 6 by 5. So if you add these two things, so the 5 denominator is common, 6 plus minus 6 will be 0. So additive inverse of minus 6 divided by minus 5 is plus 6 by 5. So next question is 2 divided by minus 9. So 2 divided by minus 9, we'll think that it's minus, so you have to put plus, so it's not plus. So here the denominator you have minus, so now you're going to add only the numerators. So here numerator is positive 2, so the additive inverse of positive 2 will be negative 2. So 2 divided by negative 9 has an additive inverse of minus 2 divided by 9. Okay, so the additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is minus 2 by 9. The next question is 9 divided by negative 16. So here the negative is in the denominator. So here positive 19 is in the numerator. So additive 19 of positive 19 is negative 19. So the additive inverse of 19 divided by 16 is minus 19 divided by 16 is the additive inverse of positive 19 divided by negative 16. Next question is verify that minus of minus x equals to x. So let's given that x equal to 11 by 5. So now the additive inverse of given number is a negative of the same number. We already know that. So suppose if x is the given number, then its additive inverse is minus x. Suppose if minus x is given, then plus x is the additive inverse of the given number. So here 11 by 5 is given, so its additive inverse will be minus 11 by 5. So we are considering this equation 11 by 15 plus minus 11 by 15 equals to 0. So the additive inverse of 11 by 15 is minus 11 by 15 and additive inverse of minus 11 by 15 is positive 11 by 15. So here, so minus of minus 11 by 15. So here minus 11 by 15 is given. So its additive inverse is positive 11 by 15. So we have proved that minus of minus 11 by 15 equals 11 by 15. So therefore minus of minus x equals to x. So with this we have proved using the additive inverse property. Same thing. So the next question is given as minus 13 by 17. So you already know the additive inverse of minus x is plus x. So here the additive inverse of minus 13 by 17 is minus of minus 13 by 17. That is nothing but positive 13 divided by 17. So now if you consider this equation, that is minus 13 by 17 plus 13 by 17 equal to 0. So the additive inverse of minus 13 by 17 is minus 13 divided by 17. So here given x is minus 13 by 17. So we have proved that minus of minus x, that's 13 by 17 equal to minus 13 by 17. So we have proved minus of minus x equal to x. Thank you for watching the video.